Hi friends, this is Katie from the Parish group here with another edition of the Slate 101 series. Today, we are going to learn about how to use exports by geographic proximity to invite local students to ongoing travel events. This is part of our series about making configurable joins feel more accessible. If there are configurable joins that you're struggling to build that you could easily access in the local base, feel free to reach out in the comments to be highlighted in a future video. There's two ways to work on this build, and I'm going to just say that there is an easy way and a hard way. If you're looking to send a one-time invitation to an event, that's no problem because it doesn't really involve any exports at all. We would just use our event link and our query string parameters in the email message itself. As a quick overview from our filter by geographic proximity message, we can see in the filter that we are looking for events within a set number of miles and a set number of days in the future. These are very broad for the sake of my test record. So let's just say that we want this message to go out once to each student within 150 miles an event. Our goal is to pull the GUID of the event in order to have an ongoing message. Our export is then going to be an independent subquery with the base of form, and we are going to make sure to specify the same template as in our filter. We also just want the export of GUID, so that's the easy part. The more complicated part of the filter is going to be the nested subquery filter of distance. We have 3 joins here, and our goal within the formula is to compare the address of the person to the address of the event based on their relative latitude and longitude. Our radius is set to 150 in order to match the original filter. And then, as we can see in the preview, I'm able to access the GUID. The great news is that this does suitcase well, and we will be providing that in the comments. I would strongly recommend updating the filter for template, date, and range, and then making similar adjustments on the export. You may also want to filter to only go to students who are not yet registered, but I hope that this helps with your ongoing event invitations. The Parish Group is a Slate Platinum partner, and we'd love to help you implement, audit, or optimize your instance. Reach out at success@parishgroup.com or call us at 828-505-3000.